The new BMW M5 Competition. Product highlights include BMW individual paint finish, frozen dark silver metallic, kidney grille in high gloss black, exclusive 20-inch forged lightweight alloy wheels, mirror caps in high gloss black, door handle inserts in body color, side gills in high gloss black, optional M5 Competition badge, high performance V8 engine with M twin power turbo technology, 460 kilowatts, 625 horsepower at 6,000 to 6,700 revolutions per minute, 750 newton meters at 1,800 revolutions per minute to 5,800 revolutions per minute, gurney in high gloss black, rear apron insert in high gloss black, black M5 Competition badge, sports exhaust system with black tail pipes, optimized driving dynamics, modified and lowered suspension, M seat belts, full leather merino Aragon upholstery, aluminum cabin structure dark chrome interior trim. BMW M GmbH has sharpened the race-inspired character of its BMW M5 high-performance sedan with an even more powerful model. The new M5 Competition, fuel consumption combined and CO2 emissions combined, sets new performance benchmarks in its segment. The market launch of the new BMW M5 Competition creates a new product category. In the future, BMW M GmbH will offer the most powerful variants of its high-performance cars as standalone models. This new status reflects the individual character of the BMW M5 Competition. It also heralds the latest chapter in a history of success which began with the M Competition package, including Power Boost, configured specifically for the predecessor to the current BMW M5, and which the exclusive new BMW M5 Competition builds on convincingly. The new BMW M5 Competition combines an ever-present sense of the racetrack and a suitably rarefied aura with the unruffled ease in everyday use for which BMW M models are renowned. A 19 kilowatts 25 horsepower hike in engine output over the standard version of the new BMW M5, to 460 kilowatts 625 horsepower, even more direct responses and bespoke chassis tuning combine to maximize dynamics, agility and precision. The 4.4-liter V8 engine with M twin power turbo technology has been modified specifically for this new application and develops peak torque of 750 Nm, 553 pounds-to-foot, across an even broader rev range. The thrust generated by the new BMW M5 Competition's engine enables acceleration of 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 3.3 seconds and 0 to 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour, in 10.8 seconds. Like the engine's responses, the oral character of the standard fitted M Sport exhaust system can be adjusted at the touch of a button. The driver can also use the M sound control button to initiate an extremely discreet soundtrack. Model-specific engine mounts with a higher spring rate provide a much firmer connection between the drive unit and vehicle structure in the new BMW M5 Competition. This has a noticeable effect on the car's responses, the sharpness of its turn-in and the experience of the engine's soundtrack inside the car. The engine's power is channeled to the road via an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission with drive logic. Added to which, the new BMW M5 Competition is specified with the MX Drive M-specific all-wheel drive system and the active M differential at the rear axle. The centrally controlled interaction between the two systems optimizes traction, agility and directional stability. The MX Drive system's rear wheel bias provides the ideal basis for a full-blooded performance driving experience. Added to which, the new BMW M5 Competition supplements M Dynamic Mode with 3 driving programs honed for use on the track, 4WD, 4WD Sport and 2WD, which switches to pure rear-wheel drive and deactivates the Dynamic Stability Control, DSC. Chassis technology meticulously adapted to the engine's performance profile ensures precisely controllable on-limit handling. Model-specific features of the chassis include a 7mm drop in ride height, special damper hydraulics and stiffer springs, an increased camber at the front axle and modified toe links and anti-roll bars at the rear. Standard specification for the new BMW M5 Competition also comprises exclusive 20-inch board stem light alloy wheels with mixed-size tires. Eye-catching design cues emphasize the exclusivity of the new BMW M5 Competition. The new BMW M5 Competition